So, hello everyone. I am Rashmi Joshi from BTech CSC second year, and I am a member of the Speakathon group of our university. And on behalf of Speakathon group, we are organizing group discussions. So, in our group today, also we are going to organize the group discussion. So, I want all of you firstly to give your introduction, then I will tell you the topic for the group discussion. So, please, anyone start with your introduction.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratibha and I am in Physics Honors second year.
Hello, I am Manisha. I am from Bionano department. I am doing BSc honors second year.
Hello, my name is Romil and I am from Bio-Nano department, BSc second year.
So, thank you for your introduction. So now I am giving you the topic for the discussion. So the topic for today's discussion is importance of degree and skill in one's life. So as you all are the student of graduation, so I think that all of you know the importance of degree or skills in one's life. So any one of you can start.
Hello, all of us know that degree is required where we go. If we want to job and any other thing, degree is required. So degree is very important to us. But if we have no skill, then we can't grow further. If we are doing job, then we can't attract the employers and anyone else without skills. So skills are more important. If we have skill, then we do anything our life. If we don't have skill, and that doesn't affect. If we say degree is more important and skill is not important, then um, it doesn't degree, the importance of degree is very is required if you want to do a job, but skill are more important. Without the skill, the person wouldn't able to hold the interest of their superiors, and we can't attain the success in our life. So I think degree is important, but skill are important in our life.
Yes, I also think that degree and skills both hold a different importance in our lives. Like there are certain things in which we acquire skill, but they don't give us degree. Like we are good in uh, tailoring, but we don't get a degree for the tailoring. Similarly, there are some distant courses in which we get a degree, but in those degrees we don't acquire that much of a skill which we can learn while we are studying in classroom.
Yes, Tomil, do you want to say something?
I think skill is more important than degree because it can help in grow us further in life. If we have
I
any skill, we can do anything without a degree. Like we are, uh,
mm, I think that degree is important to prove our skills. Like if we are having a skill, like we know the language C++ and we want a job in a company, programming company. So we can say that we know the language, but if we don't have a degree, we can't qualify their criteria for the employment they are asking us for.
Yes, you all are right. Uh, so as we can say that, we have entrepreneurs in our daily life. Means there are so many entrepreneurs in our India or in our world. They, most of them are those who don't work on their degrees. They had worked a lot on their skills. So as from your thoughts, I conclude that some of you believe in skills more, and some of you may think that degree is more important. But both of them have their own significance in one's life, as some people believe in going to army. So they think that if we have done graduation, then we can go to army, because to go to officer post they need graduation. But there are so many fields, as Pratibha said, that for tailoring, um, doesn't mean that you have done any degree. So these points are very good, and all of you had spoken very well on your part. And so I think that this GD had come to a good point, and we will be organizing more such GDs. And if you think that you had get a new experience from this GD, then just please tell me that how do you like this GD? Anyone?
I think that this GD was very helpful personally to me, because I get to express my views, and this GD, if happens more, it will help us to know how good source for practicing our communication skills.
Yes, as the Pratibha says, it improves our skill and I don't have any I speak here, and I'm also fear.
I think her connection is weak, but she want to say that this GD had helped her to overcome her fear, and I hope that all of you had enjoyed it well. So at last, I would like to thank you all for participating in this group discussion. It not only had helped you to in your communication skills, but it had also helped me in my hosting skills. So at last, thank you all for participating, and keep on participating. Thank you.